this is Madison.
My brother.
You have never ever...
Say you're my brother.
You have never ever, like, watched this video? Because it is a brand new video. So, yeah.
Say that you're my sister. Ow, stop saying it.
No.
Fine, I'll make your own channel.
No, you won't. Because
You're not going on mine.
I'm not on yours. Sorry, my brother's fighting with me. So, this is my brother. Ethan, say hi.
Hey, you might know me from another video.
Yes, Ethan did make a video. But this is, a video this is my first ever video on Minecraft, and I am going to change my skin. I really don't like this skin. I don't have any girl skin, so hey guys, this is Madison. And this is another Minecraft video, but this is my first ever video. So, yeah. Let's get started. Alright, so this is my doghouse. I just want to show you a little bit around the house. This is my doghouse. Rosie it is. And this is her little cabin. It's kind of a girly like, because it's a girl. So, yeah. Here's my brother's coming in, and...
Yeah, hey.
You see, I have too many dogs. I'm going to have to let some loose. Some of them have to die or something.
They might hear some babies crying and stuff.
They might hear some babies crying, because, yeah, that's really what this is. Hi, Creeper. Bye, Creeper. You see, I don't really have that many good skins. I'm trying to look for some. Which one looks good on me? Huh. I don't really know yet. So, yeah, I had to let some of these dogs loose, and... have to let them die on that one because I have too many dogs. I can't make any more dog house.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just gonna let my dogs die. There's lots, and they're all trying to come in. I want a hoagie sandwich. Come on, Pop-Ups. Die. 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 Okay, die, dogs. Die. So yeah, all I'm really trying to do right now is kill some of my dogs, because I have way too many, more than I should have had. And way too much. So yeah, I'm killing some of my dogs, because very clear in here. It's very happy.
Do you want a hoagie from Wawa?
Yes.
What kind? That would be simple.
That's the one with cheese, salami, and bologna. No tomato or lettuce. And I also want ranch. So this is very upsetting because I have to kill some of them. You know what? Why not? Why just use sword and kill them? And because these dogs don't know anything or anyone.
We're gonna have a ham and cheese sandwich.
I want
Lunchable. I want a lunchable.
Get me the nacho one. Get me the nacho lunchable.
We can't shoot.
Sorry, guys. There's a lot of talking because I am talking to people and playing the game. I told you there will be some bloopers because I don't know a lot. Like, a lot about this game. Ethan.
We're getting a lunchable.
Tell me one, Pappy. I want the nacho lunchable.
Oh wait, Maddie wants a nacho. Hey.
So, yeah, I'm sorry. There's an awful lot of talking. But anyways, there is settings.
Madison, come here.
One,
What kind of lunchable do you want?
3.
Maddie wants a nacho one.
Okay, so yeah, I will show you my rooms now. My dogs will just stay out there. So I have a couple.
Right, they don't have the nacho ones.
Huh?
They don't have the nacho
Then
ones.
get me a turkey.
Oh, looks pretty weird from there.
Okay, then give me a turkey sandwich.
Turkey, cheese, cracker.
Oh, I just broke it. No. No. Sorry guys, this is my pig pen. I would try and get in without these pigs flipping me around. There are 2 pigs in here, as you can see. They have a little hay and they have some water. This is for if I kill any. I don't have my sword in here. I'm going to put a sword in here.
What? She's making a video. Stay here. I'll play with you until the video's over.
Sorry, but I have a lot of awful... I have 2 little cousins.
I'm not running after you, though. That's one thing.
So, yeah. And I keep on getting... Squids keep on getting away. That is just brutal. Brutal. That is just brutal. Why are squids allowed to? And this is the spider cave. Doesn't look very nice. Spiders in here. I never put the spiders in. That's just upsetting because I never put the spiders in. Stop, spiders.
What kind of chips?
So yeah, that is the spider cave. If I could just keep those spiders in there. My next room is the cow room. There are lots of cows, and this is, as you can see, is called the cow pen. Well, it's gone. I want cheddar popcorn too. Sorry, I'm sorry. Very sorry. This is a really massive video, so I might try to make another one. So yeah. So all I'm trying to do on this video right now is work on some stuff. Here's my brother's house. 1, 2, 3. And that is Ethan's, my brother's doorbell. So yeah, this is a very cute house. He made out of diamonds. There's his bed and his inventory. And he has a bathroom. This is his shower, toilet, and this mirror with the sink. Oh crud. I'm very sorry guys, but I might accidentally break stuff in the video. Because I'm not very good at this, and I'm wishing for something to sing. So yeah, I actually let him have secret entrance to my house. So, and then I'll lock the door, and this is his emergency escape room. So I keep on going, so this is his secret entrance to my house. I kind of fixed it a little bit, just to slow the people who were after him down. So I think it is time to go to bed, and I will see you in the morning.
She wants me to pay for...
Here are my dogs. I will be letting them up tonight. We are going on a very, very long walk. So I'm going to be with all these puppies surrounding me, and we are going to go to the dry lands. Okay, there you are. There you are. But okay, let's just run to try and get all the dogs out. They're pretty much just slipping, sliding. I don't think I really like this one. So I'll just be what my brother's was. So this is what my brother is, and I'll just be him. I'll just be my brother. Watch out for the cactuses, pups. I don't want you getting hurt. So as you can see there, I don't think you can see it, but there is a village very close by. I'm just going to be... Oh! You see, that's what I mean. So that's what I use for my dog's food, and I feed them when they are hurt and endangered. So let's go. Oh, what? They had a baby. Oh no. Oh no, this is a very long walk. It's gotta be so fast. You know what? I think I can get a bottle. I think I have 64 bottles in my inventory already from. Okay, yes I do. I guess I can go right back. No, I'll get one in the drylands. Why not? Why not in the drylands? Oh, I can see this, and I will get a glass bottle. Alright, that is much better. Okay, I can use that one bottle. I don't need these anymore. I'll put those in my inventory. Oh, I have an Enderman, I guess, if you can see that. And I just swapped an Enderman in this land. We would be going to the Nether, but they don't really have a good update. So I am waiting for a good update so I can go to the Nether and play games and have fun. I really want this. I really need Xbox Live on this. But I don't have an account that I could. And yeah. So
Hi, how are you doing?
yeah, here's my brother. He's back.
Okay, don't just say I'm your brother. Just say I'm Ethan. Hey.
Oh, my brother's name is Ethan. Look, a pig. Oh wait, no, I have pork chops for my dogs. You are so cute, piggies. You are so cute. Now let us just go here. All I'm trying to do is go to the drylands for a little bit. And okay, so fly. It's not that bad of a cheater. Whoop. And there we go. We are in the drylands. And I'm trying to make sure my dogs don't slip and get hurt. So I'm going very slow to keep them safe. No, don't come down here. Don't come down here. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. Okay. And just run in the water because I don't want them going in the cave. So I might fly sometimes. But other than that, I would be walking like a regular person. I am so thirsty right now, even though it's not really true. But it's, I just use a water bottle. Because it's water and it's a bottle, but yeah, it's like a water bottle in real life. You do need food on real life. So let's go, Pops. Don't leave me hanging. Alright, so we will keep on going. We might find a new dog in here, actually. Yeah, we might find a little pup in this world. Just break through trees. I'm actually going in the trees, actually. So this is, I think this is the end of the map. Yeah, this will be the end of the map. Don't come with me, dogs. So let me just check. This is the end of the map. So let's just keep on going. Let's go back home, actually. I can't teleport, so I'll just run back home.
Wait, Ender Pearls.
Oh yeah.
What is the big village?
That's the village I live in, Ethan.
Are you Man, you can't cry every time somebody doesn't play with you.
So yes, I will just teleport, I guess.
I don't want to play with you right now, okay?
I guess I will just teleport. My dogs are gone. Oh no, there you guys are. Now let's keep going. Run to this village. You can see my house is somewhere in this desert. I just have to travel through the whole desert to find my home.
Don't say the word hate in here.
I'm
Alright.
just making an example. She has to learn.
Alright, so I'm very close to my house now. I'm just
Hey.
coming back. Ethan, stop.
But I want to see that. Wait.
I'm coming back to my home.
Oh. What? I knew you would land somewhere on your house.
Okay.
How did you land there?
Now we are home. And I will be putting my dogs away.
By the way,
You can sit there.
Maddie, by now,
Shut!
This is such a video before
Shut.
it's too long. One more minute, it'll be way too long.
So, yeah. That is all for today, guys. So, I will be back another time, I guess, then.
Don't eat.
So, yeah, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!